Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to create an account in Threads. So let's get started. So many people were saying they couldn't find the app in the Play Store. So for them just search for Threads from Instagram and you'll be getting the Threads and Instagram app. So in order to confirm if it is really from Instagram or Facebook, just click on that. It will be having this black color logo and a white color design on that, and it will be also having that Instagram. So here you can see that, just click on Instagram, you'll be having these apps from Instagram. So through this way you can basically confirm that you are installing the legit Thread app. All right, so once you're done installing, at first you will be getting an interface like this, exactly similar to Instagram, and in this you don't have any option to create an account. So basically you need to have an Instagram account. So if you don't have an Instagram account, you need to create one, because only through the Instagram app or account you will be able to access Thread. So if I just now click on this switch account, it will basically show the list of all the Instagram accounts that you have in your Instagram app right now. And you need to select the Instagram account from this list. So you need to create an Instagram account for this. Select that and you'll be getting an option over here now. Yeah. So it's saying name and it's having a lock icon to the name. So if you click on that, here it obviously says as you cannot change your name. Username are synced from Instagram. So basically it says us we cannot even change the name because it's exactly the same in Instagram. So if you want to edit your name, you need to edit your Instagram name also. So basically it's, I would recommend you to create a dummy Instagram account and link it with this, because you can change the name and everything rather than changing the name of your real Instagram account. All right, you can add your bio and link. So this is good, profile is good. Let me click on the next button, and here you're having multiple options, public, private. So only yeah, this is the same thing we have in every apps. So I will go with public at first. I'll click on continue, and here you're having some people to follow, the same people that we have in Instagram, guys that I follow in Instagram. So their accounts are coming here. Now I'm just not going to follow everyone. I'll just click on next. So how Thread works, yeah, powered by Instagram. Yeah, we use Thread to Instagram. Okay, your data, join Threads, they are using our data. Yeah, that's fine. So this is the interface of Threads. So looks quite similar to Twitter, and but yeah, it's neat, but yeah. So this is basically Threads. You can search for people here. You have a tweet option. Yeah, you can tweet something if you want. You have your activity, replies, mentions. I would say it's just like a pretty much a rip-off of Twitter. Just the UI is kind of, polished to look like Instagram. So it's basically like a merge of Twitter and Instagram, I would say. Yeah. This is basically it, and yeah, I think very less people are using it now. If you want, you can just try it and gain some followers here. And that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.